Hello everyone, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I am going to explain the phrasal verbs of the word jump. So many people are confused how to use the phrasal verbs of the word jump. They are confused because of different prepositions after the word jump. For example, jump in, jump into, jump on, jump over, jump up and jump down, etc. So people are confused because they see different prepositions after this word, and which is why they use these phrasal verbs incorrectly. However, no worries, I am going to explain these phrasal verbs in a very simple and practical way so that you can remember them easily and quickly. So let's get started. The very first one is jump in. Jump in means to interrupt somebody's conversation by saying something. For example, my friend and I were discussing something important, but she came and jumped in. It means when my friend and I were discussing something, she came and interrupted our conversation. So when you use the phrasal verb jump in, you don't need to use any word like conversation or something like that, because jump in means to interrupt somebody's conversation. So this is how you can use the phrasal verb jump in. Now let's take a look at the second one, that is jump into. Jump into means to make a quick or sudden decision without even thinking about it. Not a good thing, right? Because before making any decision, you should always think about it. For example, you should not jump into this new business until you do enough research. It means you should not start doing this business until you do enough research, which is the right way to start any business. The third one I have for you is jump on. Jump on means to criticize or attack somebody, or it also means to get on a bus, train or plane. For example, the army jumped on terrorists. It means the army attacked terrorists. One more example of jump on. She has a habit of jumping on her friends. It means she has a habit of criticizing her friends, which is not a good thing at all. And if you use jump on, this phrasal verb, with the means of transportation like plane, bus or train, then it means to get on these means of transportation. The next one I have for you is jump over. So assume this is an object. I will show you this practically. Let's assume this is an object and I am standing over here. This is the point where I am standing, and now I wanna jump over this object. So what I am gonna do is I am gonna jump from this side to this point. I mean this point to this point. Well, so that is jump over. I am not touching this object, and it's okay if this object is touched, that is fine, but I am not standing on this object. So what I am gonna do is I am gonna pass this object by jumping. Okay, that is jump over. I will show you this practically. So guys, this is a box and I want to jump over this box. So see how I do it. So what I did, I jumped over the box. The next one I have for you is jump up. The meaning of this phrasal verb is to move your body in an upward direction. Okay, that is jump up. So I will show you this practically. So I am gonna jump up. It means I am gonna move my body in an upward direction. So you just see how I do it. See, this is how we can jump up. Now the last one, that is jump down. I know it is very basic, but if there are any beginners, they can learn these phrasal verbs, which is why I am explaining them in a very simple way. So jump down means to move your body in a downward direction. It is just opposite of jump up. Well, so these were some phrasal verbs of the word jump, and I hope you are not confused with these phrasal verbs now, and you will use these phrasal verbs correctly in your English conversations. If you have any doubts, any questions, or if you want me to make a particular video on a specific topic, so please mention it in the comment section below and I will be happy to do that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.